Hello traders, welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Tepo, back again with another analysis video. So straight off the bat, please do me a favor, hit the like button there, subscribe so you can see them as they come. And I hope you guys somebody at least caught a trade yesterday. GU gave us a nice setup there. As the video was done, they even came back for a second possible entry. AUDUSD, if you had any continuation patterns, you could have gotten something. So I hope you're at least getting some value from these because trading opportunities are there. Without wasting any further time, let's follow with me for today's analysis. Beginning with the Dow Jones, we're still on our two levels of drop. As you know, many times after two levels we'll get a little pullback to the Mayo, so they did just that. And pulled price off of the Mayo, and then they pinned it again this morning. So I am definitely expecting them to reverse price today. I'll be quite shocked if they don't. Maybe it'll be change of direction, but for now I definitely expect them to drop. I, however, want to see them come all the way to yesterday's high and issue a nice little pin there, give us a reversal pattern, and I'll be more than happy to take the short there. Hopefully New York session. I will be monitoring the blueberry, but I don't really use that as an entry a trigger, if you will. So I'll just keep monitoring it. Maybe if you do, then you might be able to get a position there, a second leg, or then a first leg. Might be able to get something there, but I'm definitely looking at yesterday's high. Nasdaq, similar. They did two levels of drop prior. Yesterday was kind of a reset because they pretty much consolidation really, because they pretty much closed price right where they opened. So I'm still expecting them to go short. It looks like they took some price, some order above yesterday's high, last week's high, so we'll just monitor there, but I will be looking to go short. So as you can see there, the Mayo and right there by yesterday's highs where I want to see something. So I'm obviously going to be checking this out right now. I'm waiting for an entry trigger, but I'm definitely looking to go short there. The pound is still pretty much in the same level. We had two levels of drop. This may or may not be a reset, but I don't try to anticipate reset, so I'll just wait and see until such time. I'll be expecting to go short, but as you can see that I don't have any good entry positions. Let's see, ADR low. It's not too close to yesterday's low, but I don't like it considering the prices right now, so I may as well stay out, seeing that yesterday was a good trading day for that anyway. Moving over to the euro, I actually expect them to rise again. Obviously we expect them to correlate with the pound, but they'll catch up when they do. One of them will make it very clear. So I am still looking for longs there. As you can see, they look like they want to make a nice sharp movement, but I want them all the way down at yesterday's low. If they can give us a young stop hunt there and maybe a little bit of a reversal pattern. Of course, I only work with high probability setups. Just because they come here doesn't mean I'll take the trade, but I want to see them give us issue a nice reversal pattern here, and then I'll be ready to take them long from there. No continuation patterns, by the way. Australian, they completed their three levels of drop yesterday, so I am now ready for them to rise. However, I am not completely sold that this is their anchor, although it looks quite aggressive, but it would be so much better if we get a second leg there, maybe have a 222 or 22 trade, which would be great. So I'll only be open to taking a stop on low rise formation. I want to see a reversal pattern down there, and then I'll be more than happy to take a long from there. If we could get high probability only, we'll see how that plays out. USDCAD looks like they may have figured themselves out. Can't say for sure, but at least we have two clear levels of rise. Although usually in a consolidation area you get basically two levels going both directions until they get out of there. But I assume that because it's so clear, maybe we'll get a trade going long. I will only consider the most high probability positions here for obvious reasons. I only want to see them. I want to be completely sold that they have made their mind up the direction. So I will be open to a continuation over here, but it's gonna have to be, again, very compelling. Yeah, nothing in terms of a stop hunt low. I think that's a bit too close to the ADR for me, so I'll be more comfortable with a clear continuation pattern. We'll see how that plays out though. Dollar Swiss franc did they move? They got out of the low, but then as far as I'm concerned, they still have done only one level of rise, so I still expect 2 more levels of rise. The ADR low is a little bit too close for my liking to last week's low, where we could take a trade. So I'll be looking on the opposite end. I'll be looking at a continuation pattern on this side rather. So if they come up here and give me a very clear continuation pattern, then I'll be looking to go long there. And then finally, S&P 500. Let's just start with the hour. I don't know how we got here. 2 levels of drop as well, just like the other US indices. The only difference that they haven't made all the way to the Mayo, so they may or may not do that. They could go all the way up here, maybe end the day there before reversing to tomorrow, or seeing that it's NFP, this NFP week, they probably want to make that 3rd level of drop somewhere around there, but we can't say for sure yet. And so I'll just be looking for a stop hunt high drop at yesterday's high. For me, this would be good enough. I can get a nice high probability setup, a 2-legged formation here, then I'll definitely be happy to take it short. Otherwise, let's see if we can. Continuations a little far from price. I'll just monitor it. I'll have an alert there, but it's not exactly what I anticipate for today. At least I'll just monitor price. Like I said, because of the whole Mayo thing, price could go all the way up here and just chill there, but again, I'll just be focused on yesterday's high if we can get any trading opportunities. And that's the end of my analysis for today. Please, again, hit the like if you're getting any value. I promise there's value being given here. I just hope you guys are extracting some of it. So hit the like. Please join the Telegram channel so you can get updates. Again, like I said, I'm improving on a few things, adding a few pieces of value. I'm not charging anybody for anything, by the way, so lots of value for you guys to receive in there. All you need to do is just click the link in the description, join the Telegram channel, and more importantly, in the Telegram channel you'll find a link to the Telegram group. That is for everybody. I am trying to promote collaboration, push collaboration. I want us all traders to, you know, have a space where we can connect and maybe share ideas when it comes to BTMM. I only have these 8 instruments on my watch list. Some of you guys trade gold, some of you guys trade oil, GBPUSD, all kinds of instruments. So that space is for us to speak about that and see if we can maybe or if there's anything we have in common in terms of our position setups. Just a nice place for traders to discuss. So just make sure you hit that link. And until then, I hope you guys trade profitably today, and I will see you in the next one.